Okay, so this is Justin for the Week 3 graphics homework. So for the first question here, we were asked to split up this cam data into two separate C buffers. So it used to be view projection world, and it's now got everything here. And so just to show that that works, go ahead here and we can see that it's all running nicely. So that was the first question, and then for question 2, it was asking for creating the unit pyramid. So in here, in the tools, we have the create unit pyramid right here with all the proper vertices and everything all set up. So go ahead and show this right here. Got a proper pyramid here, so that's all good. For the third question, it was asking was the 3 pre-made models with the same shader. So go ahead and bring that guy up. So we can see here we've got object 1, 2, and 3. They're all the same same model. We're using the same shader. So we can see those 3 guys there. So that's all good. Then here in the fourth one, I'm only using one model, like you said in the further readings, so I'll just go and show that this is working. And using 2 different shaders as well that you'll see. So we've got this cube, those 2 cubes with one shader, and these 2 with the other one. So that is all good there. And then just to show that I actually am using the same model, P1 model, and never using the different ones. And then you wanted to see the shader class. Actually, I'll show the diagram. The shader class, the best that I could come up with at least. So you would need the context, the device, the handle for the constant buffer, the pixel shader, vertex layout, of course, and the vertex shader handle. Then the blobs for both the pixel shader and vertex shader destructor. I had seen in the section, or in the week 4 section, you had a class for this. So I figured compiling a shader from a file is probably important. And then of course the I can never remember the name, assignment operator, and the actual shader itself. So I'll show this real quick here. So this is the best that I could come up with for right now. Oh, and then of course the camera matrices and an actual color. So that is what that guy is. And then for the further reading, for the first question, at first I actually thought that I had used different models, but then when I went back and looked at it, my brain just doesn't work sometimes, and so I'm only using one model pointer for this guy. And then the reason for why you'd only want to use one is obviously that if it's already stored on the GPU, there's no point in, if the model is already stored on the GPU, there's no point in creating a second one and to put on it. You just might as well use the first one, because that just wastes space and time. So that's that. And I didn't get around to finishing problem 5. I spent all my time working on the engine and didn't get enough for this. I got the vertices set up, but just connecting them just was not working in my brain, so I didn't quite finish 5. So that's that. Thank you for watching.